Nago debate ni nyiso ni nyaka koro aduok dhok mit piny bati.
Ramogi, wach mabende osebedo ka nyuolo twak ahinya kind oganda jo Kenya, twak ewi paro mar omenda ma iluongo ni finance bill mag 2023. Kawuono ni dhi nyime kata odhiambo sani dhi nyime od bura kama nyaka gie sani wadani mondo wawinjane weche madhi nyime gie sani ka jaod bura ma Suna West. Peter Francis Masara Lydia ema iwacho ni nitiere liare mar katwa kata gola mar twak.
Awinjane kaka toro dhi mbele nyakoro magajo.
Honorable Masara, those are not the rules. I think let's allow the members to move their amendments. Yeah, because that's not true. That sounds like a logical way of doing it, but unfortunately it's contrary to the standing orders. So what we'll do, let the members move their amendments, but we'll have to vote on each of their amendments. So I think let's proceed, Honorable Nyikal. I think we'll start with you because yours was the biggest chunk.
Chair, mine are the amendments in three parts. So I propose that to amend clause 24A by deleting paragraph 24(1). That is the one dealing with the rates. So the import of that, it would actually go back to the act as it is now, so that there would be absolutely no increase in the taxes. The taxes would remain as they are, and the maximum would be 30%. That is the import of my amendment. In paragraph B, that actually now falls. I actually withdrew it because it was based on monetization, which actually had passed. Had that failed, then it would have been necessary to delete that to harmonize. The same goes for C. So in my case, we go by A, which says that we delete that whole one, all those rates, and leave it as it was before. Chair, that is my amendment.
The next is Honorable the question that clause 24 be amended as proposed by the Honorable Nyikal. With the question, Honorable Makali. Let Honorable Makali have his chance.
Yeah, thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, I was also proposing to have the same clause 24, part 7, paragraph 7. I'd propose we delete M, and then B to delete Roman 10. The thinking behind this, Honorable Chair, was the issue of taxing digital content creators. While I have no problem with the taxation of those who are from outside this country, or the foreigners, Honorable Chair, my proposal was that for the locals who are Kenyans, and where the Chair is proposing that we tax them at 5%, my proposal was actually to have no tax for this category of Kenyans. The thinking behind this, Honorable Chair, was basically what I was saying earlier, that this particular sector has created a lot of jobs for our young people. And my thinking is, this is the time to encourage them so that we build a critical mass, and maybe into the future then we can tax them and collect a lot of money. That was my thinking, Honorable Chair. So that was my proposed amendment. Thank you.
Yes, the Honorable Chairperson. Okay.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. And just to give additional information, the proposed withholding tax on digital content monetization as per the bill was proposed at 15%. The committee actually reduced that from 15% to 5%. And why 5%? All professional fees, whether it is management fee, legal fees, accounting fees, all of them are charged at a withholding tax of 5%. However, there is nothing that stops these digital content creators from paying tax as per the Income Tax Act. Because at the end of the year when they are filing their returns, They just need to declare the amount of money that was withheld as withholding tax, and that becomes allowable because it's now treated as an advance tax. So it's 5% because to get in line with all management fees, and it's like a prepayment so that at the end of the year they can just calculate their income tax as per the tax bands, as per the Income Tax Act.
Yes, Honorable Member of the Honorable Didi Nyoro, Chairperson Budget.
Thank you very much, Honorable Chair. And mine is more procedural. Since the Honorable Chair, we have several amendments on the clause. My proposal would be that we hear all the other amendments as we are doing, but then when we get to voting, when we start with the Chair's amendments and we vote for them, then there is no consequence in actually continuing to vote for the rest, Honorable Chair. Because then automatically the rest falls and we uphold the Chair's amendments.
Honorable members, I think let's proceed with allowing other members to move their proposed amendments. But when it comes to voting, we'll go to each of them. Yes, we'll see what the consequences are when we vote the first time. Okay, I think we have Honorable Mbadi. Before we can put the questions, Honorable Kinyikals.
Madam Chair, I'm a bit disturbed with the reasoning by the chair of the Finance Committee when it tells us that we should just leave the withholding tax on digital content monetization. And actually, are you proposing even to make it at 20%? And then you are telling us that at the end of the year, then they will file returns and maybe refund it. Why would we owe them money? Why do you want to keep someone's money for the whole year? These are strugglers. These are the hustlers. Imagine. These are the real hustlers, not the, not the ones you are pretending to be hustlers. These chair are the real hustlers. These people who are involved in digital content. So don't keep their money. My view is we must lower this withholding tax to 5%. Yes. But where is that in the bill? I'm not seeing. Yeah, what I'm seeing here is totally different. Maybe Chair should...
Let me give the Chair a chance to respond to that before I let Honorable Oundo speak.
So, Honorable Chair, for starters, what is proposed in the bill is withholding tax of 15%. After listening to these digital content creators, they actually said, why are you charging us 15%? Like we are not like the other professionals, like lawyers, accountants, all these management fees, the withholding tax to them is 5%. So we have made them at par at 5%. However, and I want to explain now the bit about now when it comes to the end of the year. For example, you might have earned an income through digital content monetization that is below the taxable threshold of 24,000 as per the income tax. So that allows you, if you want, again, it's optional. If you want, at the end of the year, when you're filing your returns, and if you declare